Hello everyone, my name is Pavel. Welcome to Personal Finance and Banking Products. Today we'll be talking about checking accounts, but before we start, I would like to say that all views expressed on these videos are my own and they do not represent the opinion of any entity whatsoever with which I have been, I am now, or will be affiliated with. Checking account is a bank account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money as many times as you like. There's no limit on the amount of transactions that you can do, so this can be very useful for your daily needs. You can use your debit card as many times as you like, whether it's to buy coffee in the morning, groceries, gas, etc. Most major banks offer checking accounts that have so many different features such as bill payment, e-bill, ACH payment, Zelle, wire transfers. You can have direct deposit, you can write checks. Some accounts even pay you interest just like savings accounts do. And some accounts even pay you rewards for using the checking account. Before I get into details about the features, let me tell you that in order to use most of these features, you have to have online banking. And online banking, pretty much what it is you being able to check your account online or using the app of your bank. So all you need is an email address and create a username and password. And when you go and open your checking account, the banker can assist you to create your online banking account as well. First, let's talk about what's a check. A check is just a document that orders the bank to pay an amount to the person reading on the checks. Back in the days, checks were very popular to pay a bill or to pay someone, and you still can. But now we have other options that are faster and more secure. For example, bill payment. Bill payment is just a convenient way to pay your bills. And the way it works is you have to add that bill information such as the account number, the company address, and the amount. So the bank will send the payment for you on the date that you request to be sent. Now, the only downside of this is the bill has to be the same amount all the time. So if this is your case, then this will be a good option for you. But if your bill is not the same amount all the time, then you could sign up for e-bill. E-bill is just receiving your paper bill to your bill pay. So that way the bank will know how much is it that you have to pay and they will send the payment for you. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse. And I'm not gonna get into details on how the clearinghouse works because you don't really need to know that unless you have a business account. And I'll talk about business accounts in my next video. But for now, when you think of ACH, just think about an electronic check. So when you're paying a bill through a company and you type your routing number and your account number, that's creating an electronic check and they're pulling the funds through ACH. If you have multiple accounts with the same bank, you can transfer funds between those accounts online, over the phone, using the app of your bank, or even at the same bank location. But if you need to send money to someone else, if they have the same bank, you may be able to do it being at the branch of that bank. But if you guys have different banks, then you can use Zelle or you can do a wire transfer. Zelle is a fast and free way to send and receive money from anyone in the United States as long as they have signed up for Zelle. And the way you sign up is doing it through your online banking or the app of your bank. And all you'll need is your phone number and email address. Now, when someone has to send you money, all they do is type your phone number or email address and you will receive the funds in your bank account. And it's the same way if you have to send money to someone, all you have to do is type their phone number or email address and they will receive the funds in their bank account. Now, the only downside of Zelle is that there's a limit on how much you can send. And I can't tell you what the limit is because it depends on the relationship that you have with your bank. But the solution to this is wire transfers. wire transfer is a good way to send money to another bank account, and there's no limit on how much you can send. Now, you can send a wire transfer to anyone, anywhere in the world. There is some fees associated with this type of transfer to send and to receive. And again, I can't tell you what those fees are because it all depends on the relationship that you have with your bank. Deposit cash only into your own account, and if you go to a bank to deposit cash with a teller, they're gonna ask you for your ID. Many banks started to apply this policy to try to combat money laundering. Now, on the other hand, anyone can deposit a check into anyone's account, even if it's not their own. Another way to deposit money is by using your debit card at an ATM, but only ATMs owned by your bank. You can withdraw funds from anybody else's ATM, but you can only deposit at the ATMs owned by your bank. And if you withdraw money from somebody else's ATM, you may be charged a fee. I can't tell you what the fee is because it all depends on the relationship that you have with your bank. Another easy way to make a check deposit is by using the app of your bank and taking a picture of your check, and it goes directly into your account. That's mobile deposit. Direct deposit is just having your employer send your paycheck directly to your bank account. That way, on your payday, you don't have to go to the bank to deposit or cash the check, and you can start using the funds typically first thing in the morning. This is it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you feel this video can help anyone else, please like it, share it. If you still have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.